back to the channel. I'm Portia the drummer, and this is the channel where you live, learn, and grow. If you're interested in my content and you find value in it, please like and subscribe so that I can make more. If you want to find out more about what I do, bookings, lessons, and online packages, please also go onto my website, which is in the description below. This is a hip-hop dance tutorial on how to do the wave. So, start with your hands out, horizontally, and then you just follow the joints. So we're going to bend each area from the joint. So the first move is going to be bending that wrist. So you can bend both wrists, and then once you've bent both wrists, bring in your elbows. So take your elbows back, keep your shoulders relaxed, right, and flat horizontal, and then your wrists should be doing that. Okay, so we bring our wrists in so that they face the inner part of our waist or our body. Okay. All right, your elbows go out. Okay, so move 1, 2, then we bring our shoulders in, up. Okay, so previously your shoulders were down. All you're doing now is flexing those shoulders and bringing them up towards your ears. Okay, and the rest of your limbs are vertical instead of horizontal. Alright, both. One, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So how you get it flowing into the wave from one side to the other and from the opposite side to the other is you follow the same movements. So what also helps is you've got joints on your fingers as well, in your hands. So you can use that to accentuate the wave movement once you have it. Okay, so all you're doing is you're bending from joints all the way through to your wrist, and then it flows through. Okay, so but let's go 2, 3, then you switch. Okay, so we'll go 1, elbows 2, shoulder 3, then you switch shoulders, then elbow, then wrist, then out. Then you bring it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you start to bring it all together and you flow through. Ha, 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 ha. Now you know how to dance. For tutorials and more, please make sure that you subscribe and like this channel. You can go ahead and press that bell as well so that you can get notifications whenever I upload. Let me know in the comments below whether you enjoyed the lesson and what style of dance is your favorite. For bookings, lessons, and tutorials, be sure to check out my website, which is in the description below. Thank you to all my subscribers, and there's room for more. So if you enjoy this channel and the content, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.